Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add admin to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm in my dashboard and I'm going to add a admin to this website. So I'm clicking on site actions and I'm clicking on invite people, and you have to enter email address whom you want to make admin, and at the same time you can add or invite multiple people to join into your admin list. And after that, scroll down and general rules. From here you have to select admin, co-owner, and you can if you want to see the permissions of admin role, you can click on these view role permissions, and here you will see all the permissions which are provided for the admin. And if you want to edit or remove any permissions from this list, you can click on this duplicate or edit option here, and now you can change the role title from here. And you can add description here, and now from this permission list you can remove any permissions. And once you're happy, then click on save and scroll down, and now click on send invite, click on skip. So here we can see invitation was sent successfully. And now I'm going to my Gmail address, and here we can see I got an email from Wix and you are invited to collaborate on a Wix website. All I have to need to join, accept. I'm clicking on accept invite and click on accept invite. So here we can see I've successfully added admin to my Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.